Imagine your dream villa in Spain, in Benissa Costa, next to the beach and next to a port like this one. So here we are at this villa, as I told you, located between Calpe and Benissa Costa. The biggest advantage from this villa is that we are basically walking distance to the beach. We have sea views, we have a super nice pool, we have a good orientation, and we have basically one floor level villa with a basement. So the big advantage also is that we have two different entrances. The main one, to park the car on the main floor with two parking spaces, and just this one that is back of you to park 4 more cars in this plot. What I love from this villa, basically it's the privacy that we have and all the green areas that we can see from here. And look at this picture. Well, the only thing that is disturbing a bit, it's this tree, but every year they cut a bit to get even more sea views than this. You know what? The good thing from this villa is that before we had another villa who was built just here that was covering all the sea views, but now they just demolished. They are building a brand new villa, and now we have a super big view. We can even see from here Moraira. This property was refurbished. Of course, if you want, you are able to get in like this, or if you want to refurbish, remember that we have the option to build an extra floor on the top. So another 100 square meters. This villa is sold with all these white goods, kitchen with open concept, and follow me, we have a chimney here, and oh, by the way, I forgot to tell you, we have a heated floor in the whole house, which is working with petrol, with diesel. I asked to the owner how much you spend to heat the house, and they told me that they pay 1,000 euros in 3 years. So that means like around 300 euros per year, which is really, really cheap. And here we had 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and 1 toilet. This one was the main bedroom, but they decide basically to make an ensuite bedroom over here with a walk-in closet. Here we have another guest toilet, and just back of you we have the main entrance to the house. Remember, here we have again the main entrance. So at the moment they use this as an office. Back of you you have the park space. So over here we have 2 bedrooms, 1 kitchen and 1 living room. One of these bedrooms has an ensuite bathroom. An independent apartment, but the good thing, we have direct access to the garden, to the exterior. And the really good point, here we have the parking space and here we have the apartment. If you want, there is the possibility to demolish basically everything and to have a super big basement with 2 bedrooms. Over there is a storage room, and here we have another outdoor garage. Remember, privacy, sea views, 1 floor level villa with so many parking spaces for cars. If you are interested in this villa, contact us, and please feel free to check and compare what is on the market on this area. But what I can tell you is that there is not so many villas on this area for this price, where you can go walking to the beach, where you can have these sea views and where you can have this privacy. So my name is Alejandro Gomez. I'm the CEO from GestaliHome Estate. I will be waiting you for some viewings. Have a nice day.